Your next scammer already knows you because you told them everything without realizing it. Your photos, half-blurred Aadhaar, stories, and location tags all become a roadmap of your life. This technique is called OSINT, Open Source Intelligence, where hackers use your public information to target you. OSINT isn't hacking. It's observing and collecting details you post, like your birthday, new job, city, and family photos. To a hacker, these harmless details are puzzle pieces they assemble to know who you are, where you are, and how to manipulate you. Most scams don't start by hacking your device. They start by hacking your habits. Think of your last selfie. What's in the background? A calendar, office badge, Wi-Fi router, or even your child's school uniform. A hacker zooms in on these details, searching for opportunity in your photos, even small reflections on glass doors. Many people post ID cards or documents with light blur, transparent blur, or just covering the main number. A trained attacker can recover partial digits, DOB, QR data, and address hints with simple tools. With even partial Aadhaar or PAN details, scammers can attempt fake KYC, SIM card fraud, loan fraud, or identity cloning. Blurred is not hidden. It's just slightly less visible. The first thing a hacker downloads from your profile is your profile picture. This leads to reverse image search, revealing old accounts, past usernames, and forgotten profiles. Then comes timeline scraping, where birthdays, holidays, and routines reveal patterns. Relationship mapping identifies who comments the most, who you tag, and who you travel with, giving attackers characters for their scam. Location harvesting from gym tags, cafe check-ins, and vacation stories reveals when you're home and when you're not. OSINT becomes dangerous with personalized scams, where they call you using your real details, making you instantly trust them. Security questions like your first school or pet name are often literally on your timeline. Identity cloning uses your photo and partial ID for fake accounts and loans. Targeting your family involves scammers impersonating school staff using your child's name or routine. Posting Goa trip day 1 is essentially announcing, "My home is empty," leading to location-based threats. Predictable password guessing uses birthdays, anniversaries, or lucky numbers, all visible online. These aren't theories, they're real cases, like the woman who posted her new scooter and received a fake traffic challan scam. Another case involved a man whose promotion selfie with his employee ID led to scammers impersonating HR. A student's picture in school uniform with a visible logo resulted in parents receiving a fake "fees due" call. To protect yourself, think before you post, as everything is permanent. Blur IDs using solid black boxes, not transparent blur, and hide number plates, uniforms, and background documents. Never post real-time locations, post after you leave, and limit what strangers can see with smart privacy settings. Keep children's information offline as much as possible, and use strong passwords unrelated to your life events. We don't realize it, but most of us leave the digital door wide open. Hackers don't need to break in. They just walk in through the data we expose. OSINT is powerful, but awareness is stronger. Protect what you post, control your visibility, and stay one step ahead. Share this video. It might save someone's digital life. This is the Cyber Slice India, simplifying cyber safety for everyone.